Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is bit in computing. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is a bit in computing? A bit or binary digit is the smallest unit of data that a computer can process and store. A bit is always in one of two physical states, similar to an on-off light switch. The state is represented by a single binary value, usually 0 or 1. However, the state might also be represented by yes or no, or on-off, or true or false. Okay guys, so this is the end of my short video on what is bit is all about in computing. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.